Hello, fifth graders. So today is biography lesson day 2. So Wednesday, May 12th. I'm sorry, Tuesday, May 12th. So at this point, you should have your graphic organizer completely filled out with all of your information that you want to include in your autobiography. And you should have looked at these two autobiography formats. That's all you should have done at this point. So you have two different ways that you can choose to write your autobiography. Just like we had two different choices for biographies, it's very similar for autobiographies. So, option one is more of your life in sequential order or chronological order. So, the only thing that is different between these two formats is your body paragraph. So, in the first option, you get to talk about your family life, sports, hobbies, talents, and then you can go into a few achievements. And then a third body paragraph would be fun facts. Whereas in format two, the big three, it's pretty much all about achievements and accomplishments. So, if you would like to talk about a lot of your great accomplishments in your life and awards you've won and honors you've received, the big three is a great option for you. If you would prefer to talk about your family and your hobbies and your talents, a little bit about achievements and some fun facts, then that's a choice for you. There's no wrong answer. It's just what you would prefer to talk about in your autobiography. Okay, so by the end of today, you will have chosen one of these formats to run with for your writing. So, today, what I really want to talk to you about is introductions because you're going to be writing your introduction paragraph today and one body paragraph. All right, so for here, I have two sample introduction paragraphs for you. While I read these to you, I want you to think to yourself, which introduction makes me want to read on, and which introduction makes you want to stop reading? Because your reader will decide in the first 30 seconds whether they want to read on or whether they want to stop reading. And it's your job as a writer to hook them in and make sure they want to read on. So, option one is this is for my autobiography. It was a warm, sunny day when, I wish. It was a snow blizzard. There was 24 inches of snow on the ground, and it took my parents 2 hours to make it to the hospital on the day that I, Tyler Madison, came into this world on December 19th, 1995. That was over 24 years ago now, and I have gained 24 years of experiences, achievements, mistakes, lessons learned, and most importantly, 24 years of laughs and love. Read on to learn more about my family, achievements, hobbies, talents, and fun facts. That is option number one. Option number two, my name is Tyler Madison. I was born on December 19th, 1995. I'm 24 years old. I love soccer, and this is an autobiography about my life. Now, if you're going solely based off of the components that we recommended to you in this slide, they both included a hook, introducing your full name, age, birthday, and a fun fact. But they were presented in two completely different ways. Which one of these makes you want to read on? I really hope you choose number one because I find option number two a little bit boring. I don't know that that's option number two. I don't know that hooks me in as a reader. But option number one, I strategically hooked my reader by giving them a very great description of the snow blizzard, and I used humor. I pretended that it was a warm, sunny day, and then I switched. I wish it was a snow blizzard and there's 24 inches on the ground. That's a strategic way of hooking your reader for an autobiography. Okay, so while you're writing your introductions, I really want you to think: am I hooking my reader, or am I going to bore my reader? That's what you really want to think about. Okay. So make sure you can use mine as a model. If you want to take the humor route, the description route, feel free. Alrighty, friends. Happy